Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how to use system navigation in smartphones. Let's begin. Firstly, open Settings. Tap on System Navigation. Tap on Navigation Gestures. Now, swipe up from bottom to top right for going back. Now, hold and swipe up from middle bottom to top to show recent apps. Now, swipe up from left bottom to top to show Control Center. This is applicable for Vivo Y71 and all Vivo devices. By this, our video came to end. If you like our content, and watch more videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.